In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Calendly in LinkedIn. If you're using the free version of LinkedIn and want a clean, clickable way for people to book time with you, this is a quick and effective setup that places your Calendly link right at the top of your profile header. Start by opening your LinkedIn profile. At the very top of your profile, in the intro section where your headline and location appear, look for the small pencil icon. That pencil is your edit button. Click it to open your profile's editing panel. From there, select Edit Contact Info. This is where LinkedIn keeps your public contact details, and it includes a dedicated space for websites. Scroll down until you see the website section, then choose Add Website. You'll see a box labeled Link. Paste your Calendly URL here. For best results, copy the full secure address directly from your Calendly page so there are no typos. If you have multiple event types, consider linking to your main booking page to keep things simple for visitors. Right below that, you'll find the link text field. This is what people will actually see on your profile, so make it clear and action-oriented. Something like schedule a meeting or book time with me works well because it tells visitors exactly what happens when they click. Keep it short, professional, and easy to understand. Avoid jargon or overly casual phrasing so it aligns with your personal brand. Once you've added the URL and the label, click Save. That's it. Your text link will now appear directly under your headline and location in the top section of your profile, making it instantly accessible without your viewers needing to scroll. On mobile, it's also visible near the top, so people can tap and book right away. A few quick tips before you wrap up. After saving, view your profile as others see it and click the link to test it. Make sure your Calendly availability is up to date and your time zone is correct, so guests don't run into scheduling issues. If you work across regions, consider a label that sets the expectation, like book a 15-minute call, to help people choose the right slot. And remember, this method works for free LinkedIn users, so you don't need premium to get a professional, clickable booking button on your profile. With that, your Calendly is set on LinkedIn. It's simple, polished, and helps turn profile views into real conversations.